Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking Chevy Malibus, and this goes for Chevy Impalas as well. They're very similar. We're going to show you the proper way to compress your piston inside your caliper. There's a right way and there's a wrong way. Don't do it wrong. Let's go outside and take a look. All right, YouTubers out in the garage, and step number one, we are going to remove the cap on your brake reservoir. Set this in a safe location. In front of us is the case for the disc brake caliper tool set. It's going to turn around, open it up. And those are all the parts, and that is what it looks like. From here, you want to reference your piston inside there, and you will see little gaps up at the top and a gap on the bottom. And the next thing you do is search for the proper part that fits your caliper. In our case, F is the one that fits our slots in our piston as shown here. From here, this is a magnetic part and it connects to the tip of the tool. Let's go ahead and take that out. With the tool out of the case and the adapter not installed yet, I'll get to that plate here shortly. Come up to your caliper, and your caliper bracket in most cases will be removed. However, in our case, our piston rotates pretty easy. In the event that you have a very stiff and stubborn piston that is not rotating, you will need to install this plate, and I'll show you that here shortly. However, what you'll need to do first, if you're doing it the same way we are, by keeping the caliper bracket on, pull the bracket forward, increase the space in between this little slot here, work that part in, grab your adapter with the studs outward, align the holes with the studs on the part. It's magnetic again. And with the studs in place, properly align the part in those slots on your piston. And you can use one hand to grab the back of the caliper and the other hand to twist this little rod here. Now, to this plate, in the event that you try this and your piston is not rotating, you will carefully insert this plate on and shift this all the way into place on the back side of this portion here, giving you a pressure wall to work against to allow you to easily rotate that piston. However, again, our piston is rotating pretty easily. So what I'll do is change camera angles and show us rotating the piston. All right, YouTubers, with one hand gripping the back of the caliper, the other hand rotating the tool, I'm going to carefully turn the piston and do this very slowly. After that, remove the plate or adapter, pull your tool out, grab your brake pads, verify that the rattle clip is on the back side and your wear pins are on the back side. Properly insert the pads into the caliper. Grab the second pad, insert that as well. All right, YouTubers, making progress. The caliper is on. My recommendation, since I needed both hands, is you have to act fast. Once you compress that piston, you will then immediately install the brake pads and verify that the rattle clip is on the outside of each pad, and then properly install the caliper and bolt it back down. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Hopefully you get the idea with that tool. And we did replace the caliper, pads, and rotor on this vehicle on the opposite side rear, and that video is scrolling above, so in the event that you want step-by-step guidance, definitely check that out. From here, YouTubers, do us a favor. Below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us and awesome. Thanks again for watching.